essay 2, you have your first rhetorical device, and you are adding a parallelism one word. So a one-word parallelism is when you pick one word and you echo it 2 more times. So we just need to pick something. And I tell my students, when we're on week 3 of the cycle and you're doing your rhetorical device, write it into your essay. Then you won't forget to put it in, write it into your outline. Then you won't forget to put it in your essay when you're writing it out. So we need a parallelism. Somebody pick a word and we'll make a parallelism.
Adventure.
Adventure. I need 2 synonyms for adventure. And adventure is a noun.
Journey.
Right? So they have to be nouns.
Good.
Okay.
And we talked about parallelism and challenge and
Yes.
Okay, adventure, journey, we need one
Shrek.
word. Quest.
Oh,
Quest.
Quest.
What?
From the back of the room. From the back
Okay,
of the room.
and I really love doing it like this, you guys, because you're going to start up here saying he was seeking adventure and he was alone and he wanted truth, okay? So then you're going to come down here and be like, Edmund should have followed the White Witch because he was seeking adventure, journeys, and quests, okay? So it adds more to it, makes it a little more interesting, so we're not just repeating each time, okay?
Or can you can use it too as a, instead of just an adjective, like was seeking what, or direct object. Sorry, I'm doing this in my head. But if
No, you
if
use
say,
dress ups, yeah, to make
right,
it.
but if you say on his, can you say like on his quest to the castle, on, you know,
He was
on
seeking
his
adventure.
quest, on, that would be a verb then, right? So like
Yeah.
you could use it in the different parts of speech and just, instead of saying precisely what you said.
So,
Something very
But do
philosophical.
That just made my brain go.
okay, so I
Major
think I
glitch.
understand what you're saying and maybe not. So
Okay.
you're saying kind of break these up and say on
Yeah.
his quest he was seeking adventure.
Well,
Or
or
like-
just using those other words within that same subgroup.
So they all have to be side by side.
Ah, okay, it's good to know.
Yeah, so in your guide, it shows you that, so it'll give you examples, like,
Starting on page 81.
Okay.
Yeah, it has examples. Edmund should heed, follow, and obey the White Witch. So they have to be together. It's the way you're repeating yourself that makes it a parallelism.
right.
So that's a really great question. I'm glad you brought that up.
And you can see the sample student workbook page, so they're gonna write the 2 terms, and it gives you the parts of speech there where they'll generate the other words, right? So if,
Yeah. So you can put your rhetorical devices, you can pick anywhere you want in this essay to put them. It doesn't matter. You're just gonna pick a word, or this one, you'll pick a word and come up with more. And there's worksheets in here to walk the students through it. We're just doing the quick version.
Right, so you could pick a verb instead, like
Yes.
seeking.
Yeah, seeking. He was seeking, searching, exploring.
Yeah.
For adventure. So yeah, absolutely. You could even do nouns like Edmund, Lucy, and Peter were all following. So it's not like the children were following. Edmund, Lucy, Peter, the other one,
That doesn't work.
the girl.
No.
girl.
No.
Susan,
No.
we're all following. So yes.
Little.
Okay, so this ends up essay 2. So now they're going to take this and they're going to put that, type it out or write it out and put it in essay form. Okay.
Hey teachers, thanks for popping in and watching this video. If we haven't met before, hi, I'm Erica Lynn and I'm a homeschooling mom. I have 4 kids and I have been teaching them for over 10 years now. We use a classical approach to schooling, so I've been using My Father's World and Classical Conversations. It's my goal to help homeschooling become easy for you too. So I'm taking all the tips and tricks that I have learned over the years and I'm putting them here for you to see. So congratulations on making it to the end of the video. Would you just pop a hearts emoji into the comments so that I know you watched the whole thing? Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And if you liked this video about the LTW curriculum, you need to check here to see the next video in this series. You guys have a great day, and remember, you are already enough.